Lesson 8. We're going to learn how to say, this is a smartphone. If you change a smartphone, you'll be able to make a lot of sentences. If you like this video, don't forget to like it and please subscribe to my channel. Alright, let's get started. What do you say I am Masa in Japanese? 私はマサです。You are Hide. あなたはヒデです。Are you Hide? あなたはヒデですか？ I'm not Hide. 私はヒデではありません。So you can use these for person. But you don't use them for things. You use this in Japanese. これ、これ。That in Japanese. あれ、あれ。And in this case, we say それ、それ。Rule number 1. How far is it? これ、それ、あれ。Rule number 2. Right now, who has it? Then the red man can say それ because his friend has it. The blue man can say これ because the blue man has it. The blue man says これ because it's close to him. The red man says それ because it's not close to him. Then the red man says これ because he has it. The blue man says それ because the red man has it. When the two of them are talking, they say あれ because it's far away. But when the three of them are talking, they say それ because the green man has it. Alright, anyway, we use これ、それ、あれ. By the way, this is a smartphone. So, smartphone in Japanese. スマートフォン. So, we use katakana like this. But actually, we usually say it スマホ. So we like to omit. パーソナルコンピューター、エアーコンディショナー、リモートコントローラー. They are too long. パソコン、エアコン、リモコン、ポケットモンスター、ポケモン。So it's very easy to say. Moreover, we don't have F sound, so we say スマホ. Alright, we'll begin the main subject. Of course, you know I am Masa in Japanese. 私はマサです。Like this. If you know this grammar, you can already say this is a smartphone in Japanese. これはスマホです。これはスマホです。So, this is the same rule. Something は something です。Alright, we learned how to say this is a smartphone. And did you understand? これ、それ、あれ. And if you use this rule, you can make a lot of sentences. Okay, we're going to learn how to say, is this a smartphone? In the next lesson. Thank you for watching this video. See you next time.